Nung tinurn over ko po, yung certification, may communication na po kami. Yung certification, yun nga lang ho, nagkakaroon ho ng delay na ma-receive ko.
Certification ang pinag-uusapan mo, yung pinirmahan mo, Competent National Judicial Authority. Hindi nga dinala sa husgadong Pilipino eh. Alam mo naman yun eh. Kasama ka all along eh. Oversee nga ang ginagawa mo. Di alam mo lahat.
Madam Chair, may I follow up with that?
Senator Bato.
Follow up on that question. Ito, very clear yung sagot mo dito eh. Do not know. Hindi mo alam na hindi siya dinala sa judicial authority.
Yun hong certification ho ng DOJ ang ano ho dyan.
Sige ka-insist nung certification ng DOJ. Ang tanong dito, competent judicial authority. Korte. Korte ang ibig sabihin nito. So alam mo ba na dinala sa korte o hindi? RTC Pasay or RTC Parañaque?
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam? Hindi mo alam?
Kasi yung tinatanong...
Hindi, nandun ka, di ba? Sabi mo, ikaw nag-converse eh.
Ang ano ko nga po dyan yung certification niya. Ngayon yung
wala naman to kinalaman sa certification. Dinala ba sa husgado o hindi?
Hindi
yes
ko po alam.
No? Hindi mo alam? Kasama ka the whole time hanggang sa Hague.
Nandun ka sa...
Oy, magsabi ka ng totoo. We're all under oath here.
Yes, madam.
So alam mo kung dinala siya o hindi?
Mo alam.
Hindi ko po alam. Kasi hindi
paano
naman ho ako...
Paano hindi mo alam? Binantayan mo mula nung dumating mula sa Hong Kong, sa airport, dinala sa Villamor, dinala sa The Hague, kasama ko all throughout.
Opo.
Pag sinabi mong di mo alam, you are lying. You are lying. And nandun ka all the time eh. Hindi mo alam na dinala siya sa korte? Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Senator.
May I clarify?
I think we should ask Attorney Delgra. What do you think of the answer given that he was not aware of any information regarding the competent National Judicial Authority that he signed on to? Pwede bang mangyari yon, Attorney Delgra?
I joined the observation of Senator Bato that the Ambassador Lacanilao is lying. Kasi all he needs to know is whether the former president was brought out of Villamor and brought to a local court. We don't have to skirt and hide behind a DOJ certification to attest to the fact as to whether he was brought to a local court or not. He was there all throughout, as he has in fact admitted. So all he has to do is hindi po inilabas yung former president to be brought to a local court. I think that would have been sufficient for him to say. But he keeps on saying that he does not know.
Kasi ang tamang sagot, no. Hindi po ba? Ang tamang sagot, no. At alam niyang no. Kailanman hindi dinala sa husgado. Tama po ba?
I agree with that, Madam Chair, that the proper answer to this question would have been no.
Thank you, Attorney Delgra. Ambassador Lacanilao?
Yes, ma'am. Still, ma'am, yung nasabi ko po.
You still didn't know, in spite of overseeing the entire operation for both the Interpol and the entire government of the Philippine Republic. Tama?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Hindi mo pa rin alam.
Yes,
Madam Chair, last chance mo, Ambassador Lacanilao. We are giving you the chance to say the truth.
Opo.
Hindi mo alam?
Opo.
Hindi mo alam na hindi siya dinala?
Opo.
Nasaan
Ikaw nag-oversee doon?
Sa airport. Saan ka doon sa airport? Nandun ka sa picture?
Doon ho sa tube.
Oh.
Tapos
sa tube
lounge.
ka pa?
Sa tube.
Sumalubong ka doon sa aeroplano, sa tube. Hanggang dinala siya sa Villamor, kasama ka?
Sa 250? Sa 250, umalis ho ako eh.
Saan ka pumunta?
Doon ho sa likod. Kasi meron hong waiting area doon sa likod.
Lang.
Sa likod lang.
Pero umalis.
So hindi na ho ako nag-intervene after nun eh.
Hindi mo alam na hindi siya dinala?
Hindi po.
Madam Chair, I think this resource person is lying.
Yes, that seems clear. Secretary Remulla, you wanted to add to the false testimony
Ma'am, again,
here?
the form that was made to, that he was made to answer is an extradition form. That's why the requirements that it's asking for are questions about extradition. But this is a surrender. It's a very
Yes.
different process that happened.
Yes, we've heard that argument before. Thank you, Secretary.
Aside from that form, kinonfirm niya ngayon, ilang beses niya sinasabi na hindi daw talaga niya alam na dinala sa korte o hindi.
And
Madam Chair.
I don't think they would have accepted him in the ICC if there was no certification from the DOJ at that time, because the certification was acceptable to the ICC because the DOJ is deemed a competent judicial authority by the ICC. We're not claiming to be,
Since
but
when
under the
did
system,
the DOJ become a judicial
No,
authority?
under the system of the ICC.
Justice Ascuna, I
As
think I'll
Justice
need
Ascuna
your
said,
help here.
the
Mukha namang,
Prosecutor General,
inaako na ng executive ang judicial power.
The prosecutor,
Parang malabo na to.
Ma'am, the prosecutor in the ICC setup is part of the court. And that's why they're considered competent judicial authority, if I can understand it
Pero kung
properly.
maaalala natin,
I think we can ask Justice Ascuna.
ang saligang batas na sinumpaan natin, wala namang ganun.
Yes,
ang
ma'am.
court, maliwanag yung
It's the
Supreme
understanding of
Court.
the ICC I'm explaining, ma'am.
Ay, nakakatuwa naman to. Saan tayo mauuwi ng ganito? Ngayon, ang DOJ na ang korte. Ganon.
No, ma'am. No. It's just the understanding of the ICC. that
Please
the
make up your mind. Sabi mo, you have judicial power.
No, no, we
And
don't have
you're the
judicial power.
competent
Don't put
national judicial
here we don't
authority.
put words into action that were not really said. What we're saying is that
I
is the
think
understanding of the
same statement
ICC.
was made by your ASEC or USEC Clavano.
Yes, that is the understanding that the ICC has of the function of a prosecutor, because under their system, a prosecutor is part of the court and thus competent judicial authority. That is the ICC's way
And the same
of treating
prosecutor was in
a
fact
prosecutor.
Filipino?
Well,
Sabi
to their
national.
understanding, it's competent judicial
Yung
authority
ICC
under the
prosecutor
ICC.
na Pakistani English naging Pinoy? Sure
Well,
ka?
ma'am, they have a different way of looking at judicial authority in the ICC. That's why the
Looking,
form.
isang tingin lang makikita mo, hindi naman Pilipino yung prosecutor nila, pambira naman.
Madam Chair, I just would like to advise Ambassador Lacanilao that, alam mo, kami dito, hindi kami nagsasite in contempt porque ayaw namin yung sagot mo. Hindi po namin ugali yan dito. Kaya huwag kang maglala, hindi kita cite in contempt. Hindi ako magmumosyon. Hindi ako magmumosyon na cite in contempt ka. Fair kami dito lumaban. Fair ang labanan dito. At hindi po kami mag-abuso sa aming power. Huwag kang maglala. Gusto ko lang. Kaya pinaulit-ulit ko. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga na magsabi ka ng totoo. Pero kung yun ang totoo as far as you are concerned, then okay lang sa akin yun. Sige lang. But hindi po kami abusado dito ha. Na ikakontempt ka kahit porque hindi ko gusto yung sagot mo. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Maraming salamat, nagtitiisan tayo. Si ASEC Miko Clavano, sinabi nung March 13, ang naging role namin ay National Competent Judicial Authority to attest na lahat ng proper processes ay ginawa. Paano naman nangyari yun?
That is certification that we made, which was acceptable to the ICC, because under their system, the prosecutor general is part of the court, or the
It's
main
part of the
prosecutor.
ICC, but
the
it's
ICC
hardly
court.
a Filipino court. It's hardly a national